This is our newest additions. We've got 5 little chickens, Aracuna Wyandotte crosses, and a little ducky. And we've just got them out of the car. The water's already filthy. The water's already dirty. I know. And I took a long video and it didn't film, so I'm starting again. I've just given them a snack and some water while we get their coop ready. The little duck is from my daughter. It's a present. And I have pet them all. They'll be all right. They'll calm down. This girl, her rain scald's going really well. This has all come off really. I'm just using my fingertips, not my nails. And there's that. I don't like her stamping her foot at me. And stop it, cut it out. Like, really. I know you don't like it. I'm just trying to help you. Face is still. She's coming along well. I've decided not to give her any more treatments because she's healing up really well. Hey baby, I know, you're healing up really well. I know. And you love the chickens, don't you? I know, you love the birdies. You love the Guinea fowl. Now you've got little chicks. She came up. When we arrived with them, she followed us up. She was curious what we're doing. Can we show everyone the rest of your rain scald? It's doing really well. It's just a bit, some bigger scabs on the butt, but I think they're all gonna. I don't think she actually needs treatment. I think it's gonna. She's had 2 lots of treatment, and it's just healing really well. If it doesn't get better, see, this is all fine. That's all flaked off. I know. That's why she's gonna turn around and bite me or something. I don't trust her when they're in this mood. It's just this mood. I know. Because I'm filming. I can't put like a defensive hand up. See here? This is the worst part. But I think she's going to heal okay. Because if I can not add anything to her natural oils and everything, and her immune system's healing it up well, I'm happy with that. I think, and her left side's better. The right side's worse. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, I know. I got cranky at you, I'm sorry. And the birds are going to get used to you. So you're the first horse they've seen. And it was Ruby, the bird lover. I know. We'll get the farrier out when the road's fixed too, for your poor feet. She doesn't do well in the floods. Her feet don't do well. I know. So these birds are going to be beautiful. We've got more chicks coming. We've got Isa Brown, Australorps coming. See, let me show you this. See that? See, this side's much better. That side's much better. And then this side, the rump's worse. That's usually the case. And there's some thick chunks, but not too bad. I just want to let them heal and fall off naturally. So she's going quite well. She's looking at the guinea fowl's cage. So these guys, our road's damaged. You're looking at my scooper. I know. Look at you all. Eating, drinking. This is the back of Ruby, rain scald Ruby. This is the back of rain scald Ruby. See, that's okay. Just rubbing that off, just rubbing that gently. See how it's just flaking off? And that's the hardest part, that's not. It's a good girl. I know, and you're good, and your face is really good. You've got nothing on your face now. I know. And Ducky, you're going to have a little swimming pool. We've got to keep them in for 3 weeks so they get accustomed to the area and don't run off. You've got a horse on this side. I know. I know. You're a good girl. I know. I think I've been bitten. I think I was bitten by a fly. Yeah. And I've got to show you all where the guinea fowl have been sitting. They can all fly up on the roof. Oh, so there's 6 chickens. 6 chickens and one duck. And aren't they beautiful? And we're going to have, I'm going to open this video through here. I know. And we're going to have 10 more Isa brown Australorps coming, so that will be 14, and we won't be getting any more chickens. And we'll see what happens. We'll see if we let any hatch, because we're going to have there'll be roosters in it, and we'll cull depending on how the roosters. I've got to show you this. Look at this. She's put her bum right up to me. She must want, I'll give her the rub. If she wants the scratch, she can have the scratch. I know. I know. It's worse on this side. How's that there? That's the worst bit there. I know. I know. I know. I know. She might be stomping because of flies, but they can stomp if they've got attitude and they want you to stop. She reminds me a bit of Cleo, like this. I like these scratches. She's asking for them. And this is the horse that we couldn't catch. Gotta catch you now. Okay. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Oh, and here's Ash, our skinny whippet. Let's come up because we need to get weight on him. He has to go back to the vet. He's had blood tests. And then I'll show you what's up here. Ruby's following me. She's like, seriously. Oh, cut it out. I'm not talking to you guys. It's all right. He's got to get... I know. I gotta show you this. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I know. Tuppy was like that. She used to follow me around. So here's my babies. I know. Shall we tell everybody who you are? So that's Jerry there, just in front of me, and Kramer to the right of Jerry. And I just want to get a fix on the ones at the back, because Elaine's a girl. Hang on. Let me see. Oh no, that's right, yeah. That's all right. I know I'm scaring you a bit. I won't push in. That's... sniff on my shoulder. I might go. I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching.